everybody, today we are making one new crochet design. For this I am taking 2 ply yarn and 2.5 centimeters hook. So let's start. It's very easy and it's very friendly for beginners. They can start making designs. If you are new, you can definitely try such kind of design. Okay, so let's start. So first we'll make chain 1 2 3 4 5. I have done 30 chains, so this one is 30 and one more 31. Okay, now what we have to do, we have to make single crochet from the back of the chains loop. Okay, this loop. So we will make single crochet in each 30 loops. We have taken 31 chains, but now first chain we have to skip, and from second chain we have to start making single crochet at the back loop of chain. Okay, so I'm doing that. This is back loop of the chain, and I'm making single crochet. So see you after finishing this. Okay, so we have done with single crochet in each chain. Now we'll make one chain and we'll turn it, and again we'll make single crochet in each of the stitch. Okay, so we have to finish it till end, making single crochet in each stitch, each chain. Okay, so it's very easy. So I'll see you after finishing this. Okay guys, so I have done it till here. Now what will I do, I'll not cut this thread, and I'll take one more color. Okay, and now we will work with this new color, but we will not cut that yarn. Okay, we have to work again with that. So we'll start making again single crochet with new color. Okay, 1 2 3 4 and 5. Okay, now what we have to do, we have done 5 single crochet. Now we will make 5 single crochet at the back of the loop. 1, only back loop, will not work in the front loop. Okay, 2 3 4 and 5. Now from here again we will make in the front loop. 1 2. So we have to do it like this only, 5 front and 5 back. Okay, so I'll see you after finishing this. After finishing this, I'll make one chain and I'll turn it, and again I'll make single crochet in each of the chain. Okay, so now from here I'll take this color again, my previous color, and I'll start making single crochet. Okay, now see, 1 2 3 4 and 5. After this, to do from here we will make single crochet in the loop which we have made at front. 1 2 3 4 and 5. Okay, now again here we'll make 5. 1 2 3 4 and 5. Then again in the front loop 5 stitch. 1 2 3 4 and 5. Now again in the back loop 1 2 3 4 and 5. Now 5 front loops. 1, you can easily see them in front. 2, 3, 4, and last we'll make ear. Like we'll make one chain, we'll turn, and again we'll do the single crochet, and we'll do it like this. So this is our final pattern. I hope you guys like it. Please like and subscribe. Thank you. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.